Today we want to split cells to rows into separate rows, and we want to repeat the name of publisher in our case. So we want to repeat values from other columns. So from this table we want to get this table, and it's really a simple task with Power Query. So we have a table, then go to Data tab, and here from Table Range we are choosing this command to import our table to Power Query. And now we have two columns in our example, and we want to select this one, which one we want to split into rows. And when this column is selected, we have to go to Home tab and find Split Column command and choose by delimiter. Power Query will choose space as delimiter for us, but in our case our delimiter is two signs, semicolon and space. So we should change here to custom and write semicolon space. Then on each occurrence of the delimiter we will get the splitting. And now we should also go to advanced option, because as default split is into column and we want to split into rows. So now we can press OK, and we have the result we want. So we can now go to Home tab, close and load to, and we are importing data from Power Query to Excel. I want to table and on existing worksheet, and let's say D1 cell, and then I can press OK, and we go from this column, this table to this table.